Welcome and thank you for checking out the video today on Review Central. On this YouTube channel, we review all kinds of new tech, new video games, and all kinds of amazing things. Today's video is brought to you by Coolpo AI Huddle Pana 360 conference camera. Now this camera is pretty amazing. We reviewed quite a few of these, and this is probably the top of the line. This is the best one you're gonna find out there, at least out of all the ones we reviewed. The retail price, I think, is very fair. It has a 360 camera on top. I think the 360 camera is what really sets it apart from the other conference cameras that we've had. It also has 4 individual mics built in, so it gives you an intelligent way that you can use the software to easily, have a very smooth and fluid meeting. Now, you have 360 lenses, face detection, 4 smart mics, it cancels out echoes, it sounds great. It shoots in 360 degrees, so everybody at the table is going to be able to get in on the meeting. Everybody's going to be able to be heard. People can zoom in and do different things with the app. It's definitely very user-friendly, very easy to get on and just start checking out all of the functions. And just the way it looks is aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. I think it looks pretty good. But the app itself, they make it really easy. You can split up the frames. You can kind of use the auto feature, or you can take the frames away. And adjust the settings. You can adjust the brightness and the different visual settings. So this is fully customizable with the AI built in. It just makes the experience so much better. And when we're talking about productivity, this can be the difference between being productive or being less productive. So it's definitely a good investment for your business. Definitely good for your business and different things. And you can really see how the mouse, you can block out areas if you need to. If there is sensitive data perhaps behind you or anything like that, you can easily block out certain areas. And it's a very versatile product. It works with a lot of different companies as well. Check out the link in the description if you want to check out one of these for yourself.